Welcome to Hubert Middle School, home of the Hornets. From our award-winning sports program to our brand new innovative learning academy, we have something for all students at Hubert Middle School. Parents, please sit back and enjoy the presentation.
Here we are at the heart of the Hornets Nations. We have games, pep rallies, and all kind of inspirational activities that happens right here with the One Nest, One Soul.
I'm Mary Jackson. I am the exceptional students teacher here at Hubert Middle School. Our mission is to ignite passion for learning and teaching at high levels. Our vision is to make sure from school to world, all students are prepared for productive futures.
All right, let's see what the students have to say.
Hello, my name is Samari Baldwin. I am in 8th grade. The 3 things that I like about my school is the teachers because they go into depth when they teach. The second thing is the connections classes because they have good classes to choose from. And the third thing is that we have a good principal.
Hi, I'm Cameron Johnson. I am 12 years old, 6th grade, and I go to Hubert Middle School. It's a school where teachers work their butt off, making sure we have a good pathway and making sure we do our greatest and hardest to get our work done.
At Hubert Middle School, we offer the Innovative Learning Academy, where we implement science, technology, engineering, arts, and math as part of our college and career readiness. Our academy includes family and consumer science, business and computer science, audiovisual arts, and engineering. We are now recruiting for incoming 6th and 7th grade students who will also have the opportunity to join career technical student organizations.
I'm telling you, Hubert is a nice school. If you still don't believe me, go ahead and come try it out for yourself. Come on down to Hubert Middle School. And that's the end of this conversation.